1993. It's the end of May, and we're in Palm Springs. Jojo, say hi to the camera. Here we are. This is the badminton set that we got for our trip. The kids have had hours and hours of fun. There's Francis and Brains. We're going to pan over here across the beautiful grounds, and we're going to find my father. There he is. Having a good time. Where are you? Is that him? No. Is that him? No. Here's my mother. Okay, where's my father? It must have been him. There he is! Uh-oh. There he is, that wild guy. Thank you once again for this wonderful trip. And he's going to be barbecuing shish kebab tonight. I'm getting a close-up of your face. Anything you want to say? You having a good time?
Oh, wonderful.
That's good. If he doesn't want me to video her, I'm just kind of sneaking here, trying to get water out. I don't think it's open yet. I'll go help her. Oh, there's Dana, and there's Wendy. Here's a picture of Steffi talking to her daddy on the TV. I mean, on the telephone.
And then we'll clean up this area. I want this for my birthday.
Oh, here's Emily.
I want a CD player, like Wendy has.
Okay.
That's a lot of money, though.
Hi, guys.
Hello, Janet.
Johnny
Are you having a good
Castrensis.
time? You look beautiful, honey.
Thank you. Yeah, I got to get somebody to video me.
Oh, okay, I'll do it.
Okay. Do you know how?
Yeah, you press the button.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
You gotta look, too.
Yeah.
Okay. Janet. Hi, John. Hi, there's John and Jody Harrison.
Hello, Giuseppe.
Two of the biggest sandbaggers that the Slav Club ever saw.
Second biggest. John's the biggest.
Oh, okay. All right. God bless.
Oh, look up there. Those...
How you doing?
You have some that's run in from the street. Yeah, and then some things to do. You know, family, friends,
Tennis ball.
Reese's peanut butter eggs.
Hello, Wendy. Here's Wendy's salad.
All right.
I can either get you or your salad because of where I am. No. Hi, Janie. Working hard in the kitchen. Kitchenette. Mini kitchenette. I bet we could get all of us if I do this. Hi.
You're in about the fourth outfit I've seen you in. I've only been here since noon.
No, but
7.
wait, how many hours have I been in since this morning?
Okay. Hi, everybody look in the mirror.
Hi.
Janie, look in the mirror. We're getting videoed.
Let's go over there. I'm really comfortable with
Hi, girls. Oh, good. Hi, Janie. You're going to love this. Thank you. Uppany. Who you got there with you? Dana. Dana. This is going to be the world's most nowhere vacation video. There we have these between the palm trees. Now, if you're a good sport, back of Matthew's head, front of Matthew's head. Okay, here's the wild Uno game. Excuse me, can I just ask Dana a question real quick here? Dana? Dana, how many times have you won tonight at Uno?
5
5 times.
we played.
Hi, Steph.
Okay, Dana.
Well, I'm in the middle of the
Green.
Find it very difficult to be honest with these kids.
Go, Matt. Go, Grandpa. Grandpa, green.
Green, wait, green, okay, green, there we go.
There we go.
Cinco.
Cinco de Mayo. No, yours turns fast.
Hey, Steph, I'm going to watch you play your cards.
Oh no! Oh no, you gotta draw 2 cards.
Okay, now it's
That's
Dana's turn.
acting. Doesn't Steph have to draw 2 cards? Because Grandpa was going Uno to tell that she did it. Say Uno first.
Open your mouth. I want to see your
She
cavity.
did all right. She did all right.
Go,
Tessa, your turn.
Tessa.
Oh, very nice. Where are we? What a talent. Dina, where are we?
I don't know.
In what city?
I forgot.
Make up a funny name. What's a funny name? What city do you want to pretend it is?
Mexico. What do you want?
Steph. Here they go. Hey Joe, what do you have to say?
I have to say, this is so, this vacation, so it feels so great. Makes me wanna...
Steph, what do you think?
It's great.
Where are we?
Brother and sister, close together.
Where are we?
We're in... Language.
Language? In our beautiful room.
Oh, yeah.
Only, where are we, you guys?
New York.
New
New
York.
York. New York. New
Hey guys, I want to ask you a question. Remember our... Oh, wait a minute, wait. Do you kids remember the drive here?
Oh, 3 minutes maybe.
Yeah, what did you think of that drive?
300 miles.
Oh,
200 miles to New York. Yep. 300 miles and we're so tired.
3,000 miles, you know.
I said we're so tired.
Okay, now, you know what? We got here and we've been eating and eating and eating. You played Uno. What do you want to do now?
I'm gonna
sleep.
sleep.
This is the most comfortable bed in the world.
Okay, let's go to
New York, which we're already in.
the pool. Okay? Hi, Matt.
Hi.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
We're in New York.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe it's so hot here.
Hot in New York? Did you know there is a city called Long Beach, New York? Yeah. In the state of New York, in the city of Long Beach. Hi, girls.
Now I'm presenting my favorite prettiest thing. Da, 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 da.
Yes?
Where's Joey?
I think he went inside.
I think it's a hot tub here.
Yeah, I think so.
Can we go in it after?
Let's check it out, okay? Yeah. Matthew. There's the girl. Let's go. Wait, you have to say what it... I'm sorry. And now, go.
Now I'm gonna do a person of a duck. These.
A person of a duck.
Oh, 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 oh.
You think we could get $1 million?
Oh. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Long Beach Marriott. This is Friday, September 3rd. And we're about to begin our famous annual talent show, where you're going to see things that you're not going to believe. You're going to say, is that talent or what? And we're about to begin, and now we're going to have our first person coming right up. Thank you.
Introducing Fly Girl, Stephanie Young. Okay, you think that's a... Oh, that's a phone. Okay, Steph, take a bow.
Amen.
This is really
We could videotape the
complicated. Joey, have you ever put this light on here before?
No,
actually, I
haven't.
Oh, it goes, I was putting it the wrong spot. Oh, you're so smart. Hey, Joey, look at you.
Mama.
Okay, Dana, right over here.
Oh, wait, change the music.
Ready?
What do you want? We want to listen for some music.
Music, Joey.
Turn off that light.
I think you need some.
Yeah, we need some light. This is going to be some more light. Here, turn it. Now, where's Wendy's CD player when we need it?
Here's the place, the warehouse.
No, I'm just teasing.
105.5.
I heard.
Dad.
What are you going to be doing?
She's gonna do that.
Oh, then what do you call that? The funny face routine? Okay. Okay, funny face routine coming up.
Oh.
That thing is working. I'm really
Does she need music?
Oh.
No,
Yeah, she does.
she don't need music.
Probably something really simple, and when you look it up, it'll be. Well, is there no music on this
There's
template?
no music.
Okay, then turn it off. For now. Okay.
No keys for him.
Oh, that's next. We don't want to do too much in one. Okay, do me.
Oh,
What are you going to do?
It's still recording.
I'm just going to do the first part of this. Okay. Are you doing me? I think it's... It's not in focus.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
You never turn it off.
I think I
Very
should show. I'm going to be tying a knot in with this in my mouth without using my hands. It goes in my mouth, then you can turn the camera off. Okay, thank you.
Gentlemen, we have the tongue curling Cronji family. Look at the camera, everybody, in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, curl. Come on, Dana.
Oh, your tongue.
Uh-oh, where is she? Bring your face in closer to your family, Dana. Shall we? Wow, this is good. And Wendy, you said you had no talent. Look at this. I'm going to get a close-up. One more time. Did you see those eyes bug out? Wow.
She's whistling, okay?
Is that your mother whistling? I thought there was a cat out there stuck under a car or something.
That's it.
And I just want to make note, I'm still working on the cherry stem as we speak.
I got a cherry stem.
Joey, making up a rap song. Go.
bubbles.
Dang.
But I went downstairs to get a snack, and I said no milk, so I had to go back.
Mm.
I went downstairs too. I think that rap is really cool because I can dance and I can act like a fool.
Yay! Did it, I think. And I'm about to remove it. Pretty sure. Okay, you ready? Yeah.
Drum roll. Ta-da!
Wait, I can't get you. Where'd you go? Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I can't even tell.
This is Francis who's leaping up to the stage. He's so excited. Oh, I know. Here we are.
There.
You know what? Francis is just a talent in himself. He's tall and handsome, kind and generous. And
Hangs there.
he just needs to sit there and use talent.
Curly hair. Check it out.
I think one of his best talents is being a good sport.
It's really great.
Okay, now this is gonna be a
Thank you, Francis. Wave goodbye to the camera. Francis, wave goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye, camera.
You want to say anything in English?
No.
Okay, that was here's Steph. Oh, Steffi, come up. Here's Stephanie, and she's going to do something that she's done since she was a baby. She's been perfecting it for 7 years, 7.5 years. Okay, go.
What song should I do?
Yankee Doodle.
I'm very good at that. Where did you go?
Okay, show us your hand, and now open your mouth so we can see your mouth. And let's see this amazing talent Dana has. Okay, got the picture there. Okay, Dana's going to do her talented thing.
Okay, do it. Does it taste good? See? It tastes good.
That's amazing. How long have you been doing... Okay, take a bow, take a bow. Here's Matthew, and he is going to be doing a very amazing thing with his hand. So he's going to get his hand ready, and I'm going to zoom in on it, and you're not going to believe this. He's going to bend it. Oh, wait, it's out of focus right here. Okay, try it like that. Go ahead. Bend it. Wow. Now, can we have a side view where you turn to the side, facing the other way?
I have no hands.
Okay, now let's... Okay, and do it again. Wow. Okay, put it a little bit lower so I can see it from... Yeah,
Like you had it, man.
flat. Yeah, like that, exactly. Okay, go ahead. Whoa. Whoa. Does that hurt?
Sure, no. Sneaky, sneaky.
And now show us what you can do with your finger, please. And that'll be the end of our show.
And do the
Just the tip. That's
You know
amazing.
the thing? The other thing? The end.
The end. Thank you very much.
No.
Oh. What? Very good. Take a bow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here we have the grand finale of our show. Everybody doing their thing at the same time. Okay, go. Okay, Steph. Okay, Dana. And go ahead, Steph. Keep doing la-di-da-di-da-di. La-di-da-di doesn't always look like that. Okay, Steph, keep la-di-da-di-da-ding. And Matthew, thank you. Okay, take a bow, take a bow. That's it. The end of the show. Hooray! Ho, 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 ho. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I hate when I do that.
The movie, yeah, right. Francis said this is the beginning of Dave.
Oh, look, can we finish this off? Oh my gosh, a helicopter.
And here we are. Watching the movie. Right here. Wendy. Dana.
Landing already.
I don't know, but it's very expensive.
I know, but it doesn't taste that good.
Good. This is our anti-Snapple commercial. It's expensive and it doesn't taste very good. Other than that, hey, it's a great product.
Okay, here comes
Look, see, look, it's a koala bear. See, look, it proves it tastes good because it's a koala bear.
Yes? In just a couple minutes. Are you hungry? What?
Here we have it. It's the first annual Labor Day weekend at Lone Belch Marriott. Oh, Janet! And we've got Matthew and Joey in a beach ball volleyball team. Over in the background here, we see Steffi, Dana, floating around. It's hard to tell at this point. I think the boys might be ahead. Wave to the camera, guys. Oh, they got her again. Oh. Hi, Dana. Hi, Steffi. Hi, Steffi.
Okay.
Hi, this is like the last day of our trip. We're closing it up. Finishing catches. And I'm gonna go back to the aquarium and we'll see you tomorrow.
Did you have a good time?
Oh yeah, it was lots of fun. If Francis wasn't here, I would have hated it.
Okay.
But so would everybody else, because I would have been really mean. No, not mean, but
Bored and grumpy?
bored and he like helped out with the kids and stuff.
You did.
And with him,
Okay, thank you.
This is our key.
Thank you. Okay, bye. There's the girls in the pool again. Having a wonderful time. And here's the premise. We're getting ready to leave the pool and go up. Steffi's pretty tired. I'm going to go up to our room, relax, and take a shower and go see Grandpa.